VanCARE Mobile is an opportunity for us as technicians to come out to the customer's location and perform basic maintenance services and light diagnostic work. What services we're going to be able to perform is pretty much anything we're going to be able to do without having to lift the truck off the ground. We're going to be able to do, like I say, some light diagnostic work. If you have a check engine light on, we can at least perform an initial quick test, get a good grasp as to what's going on with the van. If it's something that we're going to be able to handle there on site, we'll absolutely do so. However, it may give us a better gauge as to whether or not the vehicle needs to come in for the repair or not. The other thing we're going to be able to do is some maintenance work. Fuel filters, cabin air filters, engine air filters. If you do have a flat tire, we should be able to change that on site as well. The van is going to be one of the new 907 chassis, and it will be upfitted with all our parts and tools, oil, reclaim, everything that we're going to need to do, like I say, those basic diagnostic or maintenance services. We will have a light parts inventory, so if something does come up, we should be able to handle anything that we can while we're out in the field. This is a large benefit for customers because it gives them an opportunity to minimize their downtime. They don't have to worry about staffing to get the vehicle back and forth to the dealership. We'll actually come out to you, and we'll be able to do it in an environment that's familiar and more convenient for you. And if you have multiple trucks, you won't have to make multiple trips. We'll be able to come out once, service multiple trucks in one visit. How does it work? We're still working on that, to be completely honest, but what we believe is going to happen is you call in, you say that you have multiple trucks or you need some service, and you opt for the VanCARE option. We'll be able to come out mobile, working with what we can line up within both of our schedules in order to make everything work. Because if this all goes well, we should have multiple customers that are looking to do this, so hopefully we'll be able to schedule around everybody and make it a cohesive working relationship. I'm excited for this as an opportunity to go out and have a stronger face with the customer base. As the former service advisor, I do have a relationship with a lot of the customers that we already have, but I'm looking forward to an opportunity to build new customer relationships and better serve our customers, minimize their downtime, keep them profitable, and keep them on the road.